today we're going to be making these eggless fudgy brownies, which are pure indulgence, and beware because they are dangerously addicting. So first you're going to grease and line a 9x7 inch pan and set that aside. Then in a bowl you're going to take your sugar and your vanilla extract and add in water. And then you're going to stir this up till the sugar dissolves. And then you're going to set this aside. In another bowl, you're going to take your butter and some chocolate. And then you're going to place this on a bowl of simmering water and stir till your chocolate and butter has melted. And you should have a smooth mixture just like that. And then you're going to add in your cocoa powder and the instant coffee powder and then mix them in. And then you're going to pour in your sugar mixture and mix it in. And then add in the flour and mix in just till the flour has incorporated in the batter, but do not overmix. And you should have a smooth brownie batter just like this. And you're going to pour this in your prepared pan. Smooth it out evenly, and then you're going to go ahead and bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes. I ended up baking these for about 40 minutes, but you can bake them for 35 minutes if you want them to be more fudgy. And then you're going to let them cool completely, and it is even better if you let them cool overnight. And then go ahead and run a knife at the sides. And lift and place the brownies onto your serving tray. And then slice them up. And you can make the slices as big or as small as you like. These brownies are extra fudgy and gooey, so you can refrigerate them before you slice them. And you can see the texture, it is just like a piece of fudge. These taste like pure chocolate heaven, and the richer the chocolate, the richer these brownies are going to be. Make sure you give these a try because you have no excuse not to. Subscribe to my channel for new recipes, and I will see you soon. Bye!